Hello and welcome. In this particular session, we are purely going to talk about how to use the sales forecast template effectively. This is nothing to do with how to use Excel. So if you are not interested in this particular template, you can skip this session. So here we have this particular report for February prepared by John. Let's do some analysis. We want to find out how many new deals or forecast were created by John in this particular month, which is month of Feb. So we are going to click on this filter of date and go to date filter and select this month. So these are the deals newly created by John in February. Let's clear this. Other thing we can check is as we progress during the month, John is going to update the status and some deals are going to be won, some are going to be lost. So here we have updated some of the status and let's change this to 1 and we will change this to lost. Okay, and now let's review at the end of February or during the month how many deals were won. And we are going to deselect everything first and select 1. And so 3 deals were won so far by John, which totaled up to, we are going to select this range and see the total over here, which is 102 out of the total forecast of 178. Let's remove this filter. Similarly, we can evaluate those deals which are lost and try to figure out why we lost those deals. At the end of February, what John is going to do is going to right click on this month tab, which is the sheet name, click on move or copy, click on move to the end and click on create copy. Click OK. Now we have a new sheet which is exact replica of the previous month. We are going to right click on it and rename it to say March, and we will delete those rows which were won or lost. So we can either simply delete these rows. We'll click and delete. I'm going to click delete on this particular cell and select entire row. So two options. One, you select the entire row and click delete, or you select that particular cell, right click and click on delete and select the entire row. So now these are the deals which are carried forward in the month of March. We will change this to March 18 and we will renumber this. We are going to clear the filters and renumber this and have the sheet ready for March. Now, this is how a salesperson will move on from one to another month. If you are a team leader or a sales manager, then what you would do is collect everybody's forecast for the month and copy paste each and every person's forecast. Let's say there is another person's forecast is here. I'm going to copy that and append it to one particular file and say insert copy cells, and I'm going to change this, let's say KS. I don't know what that means, but that's the initial of another salesperson. So this is how the team leader or sales manager can have a combined file of the team for the sales forecast. I hope this was useful. You can use this as it is or modify it to meet your requirement.